This is how you add keyboard shortcuts to Word on a Mac. First go to your Word document, then go to Tools, Customize Keyboard. Scroll down to All Commands. Look up the command that you will be attaching to the shortcut. So I want to insert an equation. So I'll go equation insert, that one. Go down to press new keyboard shortcut, click in the box, type in your shortcut, press assign, then press OK. Make sure it's normal.totem. And this means that every time you open up a Word document on the Mac, you'll be able to use this keyboard shortcut. Command Shift Spacebar, inserting my equation there. If I want to remove a shortcut, go Tools, Customize Keyboard, scroll down again to All Commands, go to the command that you attached to the shortcut, so equation insert, go down to current keys, click on the commands, then click remove, and then OK. And there you go. That's how you add keyboard shortcuts to Word on a Mac.